Hello there friends and welcome to my new video on this channel. Today I'm back with another 5 Rubik's Cube challenges. These are going to be even more crazy and even more interesting to watch. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. And so here we are at the first challenge. I'm doing a voiceover over here because this solve was actually very long. It took me over 3 minutes, but it was pretty fun. A bit challenging, but interesting. And if you want to see a tutorial for FTO, because it's going to be soon an official event, then comment down below and I will probably do it. And here's the solve 347. Not so bad. Now, as you saw the name of the next challenge, I'm going to try to solve a Rubik's Cube one-handed while drawing a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I haven't tried this before, so I will probably just maybe do one step at a time and then continue drawing, because it's probably impossible to do both of those things at once. So yeah, I suppose here we go.
So here's the cross. I actually have to measure each side so that's going to be similar. Or actually identical, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is similar. Here and here. Okay, now I'll do the second external pair, and I will try to do something here. I enjoy drawing, but this is not final. And, gosh. Yeah, that's that. Let's see, so now I think I'll do something like this. So this pair, and yikes, this is only terrible. I will use my eraser because this is not how the chip should look. God damn. So I will try to recreate this line right here, and this line right here. This looks disgusting, but never mind. I have one of the hardest foils to do, and next here. So I have an apron. Now we obviously have to draw all the layers. Next. This is absolutely not symmetrical.
Oh my god, no. But oh well, I will keep it like that. Right here, right here, right here, here, and last two right there. And we are done. This is a Rubik's Cube. I know this looks disgusting, but oh well. This was a fun challenge, I would say. So the next challenge is going to be a pretty cool one. I will do 50 jumps with the jump rope for every step on the Rubik's Cube. I'm jumping the rope for almost 1 month already, and I'm really enjoying this hobby. So I decided, why not? Let's do a challenge with jump rope and Rubik's Cubes. So first of all, I will jump 50 times, then I will do the cross 50 times FTL, 50 times OLL, and 50 times PLL. So I suppose let's start this challenge. So yeah, 50 times, let's go. Okay, we got 50, first 50, and I will be solving the cross. That was fast, the cross is done. Now I will go ahead and do 50 more.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 50. I think if I didn't lose the track. Now I will do the FTL of the cube. FTL is done. Oh my gosh, now we are back at skipping once again.
50 more. Let's go.
Okay, that was the most perfect run, let's say. Now OLL very fast, and we have E-perm to finish off the cube. So for the last jump rope set, I will do run in place, just to keep it more fun, I suppose. Oh my gosh. So let's go 50 more times. Oh no. Whew. I think that was 50. And we will finish the cube right now. Oh, we are done. And 200 jumps with the jump rope. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just did solve Rubik's Cube one-handed blindfolded, which was absolutely insane. I haven't done this before and this was my first time and I got it from the second try, which is insane. So this is the scramble, and so actually I'm using M2OP, and if you know, in M2, if you want to swap this piece and this piece, you have to do a very special algorithm, and one-handed it is very hard to do. So I decided to do a little trick. So I decided to solve this piece not correctly, and so normally you would do like this, and then you would do this algorithm, which is super hard to solve this. So instead of that, I actually did do this algorithm, and I solved this piece in its place, but it's twisted. So at the end, I twisted this edge with this edge, because this edge was twisted from the beginning. And so I decided to do it this way. And from then on, I did this, and again we have this piece, which is a very hard piece to solve, but thankfully here I can do an easier algorithm to solve it. So yeah, apart from that edge, I got pretty lucky. I mean, I got a parity, but it's not very difficult to do. So I did a parity, and then I did this algorithm to twist two edges. And then I was doing the modified Viperm to solve all of the corners. And here is the solve. And so the next challenge is to solve Rubik's Cube upside down. So I don't have anywhere to hang really. So I decided, let's just stand on one hand with the ball and trying to solve the Rubik's Cube one-handed. Okay, here we are. This is not too bad, I would say. This is doable. Oh my gosh, but I need to solve faster because I'm getting tired. No, I did a wrong oil again. Oh my gosh. April, and I'm done. Yeah, Here's the cube. Phew. Oh. This was actually crazy, but yeah, obviously with the wall it's much easier. Hopefully in the future I will be able to do it without the wall, but that was fun. And so that's the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I did. Definitely those challenges were a bit crazier than the last video, but if you have any more crazy and interesting ideas for my next challenges, leave them in the comments down below. I will happily read them all. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you all in the next one. Tschüss!